Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Beth the Builder. Today's video is going to be about painting the kitchen, which made a huge difference. Before I begin, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. After caulking and cleaning the kitchen, my next step was to paint all the trim. The trim was really gross and not white, so it took me 2 or even 3 coats of this white trim paint to cover it. Here I began painting and then had to use a Dremel tool to etch out where the actual molding was, because the last owners, I guess their dog chewed it up and they just caulked it all together. Here I had to paint through this little weird gap, and we have a lot of them in our house that I will later be filling with quarter rounds. If you're doing a project like this, make sure to keep a damp towel around to clean up messes, which are inevitable. This door has been bugging me for a long time because it really darkens the room and has a lot of damage on it, so we decided to paint it white, which took about 5 coats, so I would recommend using a primer, which would probably work a lot better. Here I enjoyed painting with a nice snowy view. Here is some more gray that I had to paint many coats to cover. And the bathroom door, which is on the left, I did not paint yet, and will do that as a separate project because, as I will show in later videos, the doors are very complicated. Now it was finally time to stir the paint for the walls, and we chose a nice ivory cream color. I have been using Behr Marquee paint, and although it says 1 coat guarantee, this I did have to do 2 coats on because I should have probably done it thicker, and it was just such a light color over such a dark, flat gray paint. However, I still think it turned out amazing and love the paint more than any other brand that I have used in the past. I'm sure some people can paint in record time, but for some reason it takes me forever, so this project took in total about 4 days to complete. Now it was finally ready for the fun part, rolling on the paint. Behind the fridge was surprisingly full of stains and very satisfying to paint over. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Do you like the new kitchen paint color? Comment down below to let us know. Stay tuned to next week's video, which will be all about the guest bedroom. I'm still not done, so I gotta start working on that. Thanks again for watching. See you next week and have a wonderful day.